Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are at Delray Beach. We're going to take a walking tour, show you the Atlantic Avenue where many of the shops and places to eat are, and then take you to the beach. Stay with us. So here we are on Atlantic Avenue. We're getting close to the beach area, and I'm only going to do a couple blocks from the beach area onto Atlantic, but I want to see when you get close, you have to go over this bridge, and then you will start to see more shops. There's some shops before, but you will see more shops over here, and we're going to take you through a walk through a lot of these. And first thing we are going to do in this trip is we are going to park the car, and then once we park the car, I'll get out and I'll walk you around. We'll go up the strip, and then we'll go towards the beach. I'll show you the restaurants, some different areas. You need to pay for parking. You can park on the street, and there are meters, and I believe it's like $4 for an hour, something like that. So be aware and make sure you pay, otherwise you're going to get a ticket. First thing we see is this epic surf shop. Gonna go in here just quickly. Got Billabong, O'Neill, some of the things we've got here, and we're gonna keep walking. This is Delray Beach, the main walkway. That's the surf shop again. Harley Donuts, mini donuts, ice cream. Does not look open. Tarot cards and astrology. And courtyard shops. Nice little quaint place to sit and eat with a few little shops. Nice place maybe to stay. Up there. Over here is the Artist's Palette. There's a little place to sit and maybe get a piece of pizza. As you can see, Delray Beach is very dog friendly. And a little gift shop. Delray Beach shirts. Take a quick peek. There's a boutique. And Charleston Shoe Company. I have enough shoes, said no one ever. Look at that. Shoes are machine washable. Here is a little shop that's like bathing suits, called Mara Blue. Okay, go over here. There's a little place to eat over here. Little plaza. Now we're at Palm and East Atlantic, and we are at Beach Planet. We get some bathing suits here. This is Preppy with A. Absolute no photos or videos, so we aren't going in that store. Have Atlantic Grill, Aqua Resort here. Here we have the Seagate Hotel and Spa. Etc. Cafe and Gifts. We are here and we are going to cross, but I'm going to show you a little bit down here. One Sotheby's, Lang Realty. Missouri. This is Dunes. Coco Shoes. Sarah Campbell's Shops. Nice place to sit. Ocean Delray. That is probably a place that sells rent homes. Seabreeze Ave. We're heading towards the Atlantic Suites on the Avenue. And there is that if you're staying there. There you can see we were over there already. Gleason. We have Ben and Jerry's. Pizza Rustica. Natives, okay. Juicery. Smoke and Glass. cheaper than pizza t-shirts. It's great if you fit into them. More ice cream over here. Now we have crossed the street where there was a lot of construction, so I crossed the street. I couldn't go that way. And the restrooms are over here, and there are some shops to the right that I'm going to show you, including BurgerFi, which we did stop and eat, and I'll show you what we bought. So I had a mocha coffee custard shake and a rodeo burger, and I also had some onion rings. Very good, liked it a lot. This is the Pavilion that is across the street. I'm going to walk over there, but first thing I'm going to do that's to the left is walk to the right, because there are a few more restaurants that might interest you if you are going to Delray. So let's go take a look. So now we're going to walk back, and I'm going to take you to the Pavilion and then to the beach. But I wanted to see, you see this little bike up ahead? Well, they will bring you around Delray and drop you off at different spots. I'm not sure if it costs money or how it works, but I saw several people take rides on that. So that is the Pavilion. Let's cross the street and go on that Pavilion. Here we go. It's a great place to sit and relax and enjoy the day and watch people go by. Here we are looking up towards Atlantic Avenue, and now we're going to go on the other side of the pavilion and walk down the beach. So this is Delray Beach. You can put out some chairs and some umbrellas, and there are lifeguards you can see to the left. It's a pretty long beach. There's a lot of room. It's a very pretty, nice beach. On this day, the waves were kind of high and they were kind of strong, so there wasn't a lot of people in the water. So now we are going to head back to the pavilion. So now we're on A1A and we are heading back. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up, and share this with all your friends. We do a lot of different Florida videos, so make sure you check them all out.